Prince Owusu do edo say away trotro na your mama to abedru ye free what way na yensa yenko ahonidie mu ensem emu na yekwa ahonidie mu ensem wan yekwa akogire mu Western North Mantab no emu na Zoom Ghana womo so etwa homemu a womo ebie integrated recycling and compost plant ibi ewo Sehwi Wiawso-Aboanidua wase we be boa manwura hodo won potem horo mo watima dan da ani no de aye bibi papa bi asomo manfo won potem Ekwambonia enipa binu faso etubola egu form eyade a eha dweripa ewo manyimu sebeye na honini ebekoso ewatoye tifi mantemunti Ghana mampanyina na danko akufuado ebobosomeni mu afempiri nu aduonu mu ene okotwa ahoma mu a wo hyase esi wo si integrated recycling and compost plant ewo Sehwi Wiawso-Aboanidua afei ena waste management plant wawia wabiano ebra wobo dwadata edibie saso yiyano ena managing director ya woda Accra integrated recycling and compost plant ano Michael Padituwo editu dwase asoye no eya hyensode sesesei empanifo etu ahonini enwanamo na wogidi yese ebeboa amamframa amanfo home no etimi aye papa na afeiso ensuo so ehwate.
This facility is not just a symbol of progress, but it is a reflection of Ghana's commitment to achieving the sustainable development goals by adopting environmentally sustainable practices. The benefits of this plant go beyond waste management. It will significantly reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills, conserving valuable land space and minimizing environmental impact. Additionally, it will improve air and water quality, promoting well-being of our people in the Western North region.
Enwechi atoye tifi mantemu regional coordinator ya woda Zoomlion ano Isaac Banfo etwe mu se asoye so ebema kwan ama emabunu no anya adwuma aye ye de sunsanso pa enso ebebre wo mu
Minuanum binum aye no baby aye so se ye no hai direct and indirect jobs nko e beba be create wo ha no e be boa ama ye yi amanfo afri poverty level anase mpo se ne aye dwumadie megidi ye be se ye be fa workers wo ha ye be fa managers wo ha Western North ye mabunu no mako school no ye momo tine fie kwa ye be fa ana se ne ye bie we ya no dwumadie no ekọ na nimi ye wo other project ye be san ye e wo asase so we yi so